KVR Maths Academy, Maths an easy way.
Next question. Show that 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. Okay, let us show. Right. In this problem also, take first LHS. LHS is equal to, that is 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1. That is equal to, this is 1 minus tan square a by cot square a. How can you write? Yes, this is the reciprocal of tan square, no? Yes, that's why this also can be written as 1 by tan square a minus 1, right? Yeah, that is equal to, numerator is 1 minus tan square a by, here this is 1 minus tan square a into 1 tan square a, 1 minus tan square a by tan square a, right? Yeah, so that is equal to 1 minus tan square a into this. How can you write tan square a by 1 minus tan square a? Tan square a by 1 minus tan square a. Here 1 minus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a get cancelled. Answer is tan square a. Okay, so we got RHS or not? We have taken LHS. Finally we got RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. Next question. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. So for getting an answer, first take LHS again. LHS is equal to 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, right? Yeah. So that is equal to, how can you write this one? 1 minus cos theta into cos theta. That will be cos square theta by cos theta, right? 1 minus cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta by whole by cos theta. That is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? Yeah. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta from this. This is the trigonometry identity 1. Yes. So in the place of 1 minus cos square theta, what will you write? Yes, sin square theta. So sin square theta by cos theta. That is equal to, this will be sin square theta. A square means A into A. Like that, this is also write down. Sin square theta means sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. Right? Sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. Here write this one, sin theta by cos theta. That will be, yes, sin theta by cos theta is equal to, yes, tan theta. Tan theta. And the remaining part is sin theta. So finally we got RHS, right? Yes, that is equal to RHS. Therefore, we have taken LHS. Finally we got RHS. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. So 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to what? Yes, tan theta into sin theta. Understood clearly? Next, sixth question. Simplify secant a into 1 minus sin a into secant a plus tan a. Simplify secant a into 1 minus sin a into secant a plus tan a. How to simplify this one? Yes, let's simplify. Yes, try. Do. Take this one. Secant a into 1 minus sin a into secant a plus tan a. Okay. Yeah. So that is equal to, multiply with secant a this one. Secant a into 1 is secant a minus secant a into sin a. This is secant a into sin a, right? Yeah, so this one as usual write down secant A plus tan A. Right? This is secant A into 1 is secant A minus secant A into sin A. Right? Yeah. So that is equal to, this is secant A minus secant A, how can you write? 1 by cos A. Isn't it? Yes. Because secant is reciprocal of cos. That's why secant A is equal to 1 by cos A into sin A. Okay. Into, this is secant A plus tan A. Right? Yeah. So that is equal to, this is secant A minus 1 into sin A. Sin A. Sin A by cos A means? Yes, tan A. This is tan A. Sin A by cos A means tan A. Into, this is secant A plus tan A. Okay. Look here carefully. A, this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B, right? Secant A minus tan A into secant A plus tan A. A minus B into A plus B. What is the formula for that? Yes, A square minus B square. A square minus B square, which means here secant square A minus tan square A. So, secant square A minus tan square A is, yes, trigonometric identity 2, that is 1. Therefore, secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A, value is 1. Is it clear? Okay. 7th question in exercise 11.4. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Right? Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So, how will you do this one? Yes, first we have to take all LHS. Finally, we have to show RHS, right? Yeah, take LHS in this problem. What is LHS here? LHS is equal to sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square, right? Yeah. So, that is equal to, look here, this is whole square is there, here also whole square is there. So, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. In the same way, write down this. This is sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A. Right? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Similarly, this also write down. Plus, this is cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. Right? Yeah. Look here. So, this is equal to, this is sin square A plus, this is cosecant square A plus, here 2 sin A cosecant A. 2 into sin A into cosecant A. Cosecant A is the reciprocal of sin A. Then sin A into cosecant A is equal to 1. So, this is 2 into 1. Plus this is cos square A plus secant square A plus here secant A is the reciprocal of cos theta. Then cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. So, that's why here cos A into secant A is equal to 1. This is also 2 into 1, right? Yeah. So, that is equal to sin square A plus here by side of sin square A, write down this one cos square A plus cosecant square A. How can you write? We know the trigonometric identity 3. What is that? Yes, cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So, that's why in the place of cosecant square A, what will you write? 1 plus cot square A plus, yes, next in the place of next 2 ones are 2 plus secant square a. Secant square a, trigonometric identity 2. Secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Then secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a. Plus 2 ones are 2. Right? Yeah. So that is equal to, here first trigonometric identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to, yes, 1 plus this is 1 plus this is 2 plus this is 1 plus this is 2 plus cot square a plus tan square a. Right? Yeah. Here 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7 plus, in order, tan square a plus cot square a. We got RHS or not? Was 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, that is equal to RHS. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Have you understood clearly? Okay friends, if you like my videos, please like and share. If you want more videos, please subscribe my math channel. Thank you very much.